Hello guys, today I will show you how to download and install Google Pay on the LG Q60. So go to the Play Store, type here Google Pay. Oh, wait, Google Pay. Now click here, click on the install, and now we have to wait until this application finished download. And now it is installing. Okay, now we have to open. Click on the Get Started. Click here. And now if you want to pay contactless with your phone, click on the Set It Up. And now you have to just scan your card, or you can also just enter details manually, so click here. So now you have to insert your card number, and this is how it looks on this device. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.